For your own safety, do not extend your arms above your head. Hold on tight and enjoy your ride.
Back out to the desert sun we go. Down. I didn't see that. I didn't know that does that. The Schwarzkopfs are so cool. Right, here we go, everyone. Woohoo! That's one loop, and then there's the second one. Woo! Oh wow! It's like sideways airtime, but it kept going and it sucked me to the left. Onto my right. My sense of direction's gone, everyone! You know, I'll say, I don't have to say anything actually. Well, like, people are right. This is basically Scorpion, but much better.
Welcome back. Once your lap bar has been released, please exit to your left. Thank you for riding the fire train.